I feel connected and drawn to this parish as part of my formation as a disciple of Christ. It is here, under the gaze of our Mother Perpetual Help, that I felt consolation and refuge during that time. I will go here just to gaze at Ina, pouring my hearts and telling her the stories that I have encountered during the day. Telling her ano ang saya, lungkot ng mga pinagdadaanan. Salamat, Inay, as my vocation story is also part of the big tapestry of gratitude here in the parish. Pag tiningnan niyo po ang icon, akala natin tungkol lamang siya kay Maria. Pero all of the elements of the icon points to the child. May our parish be like that. Like our Mother Perpetual Help, pointing to Christ. Good news in solidarity and also a beacon of hope for others. There's something in the eyes or gaze of the Blessed Mother that magnets you to come to her. Wherever you are, you feel that you're the only person na nakatitig siya. At yung titig na yon, sa kabila na marami po tayo, alam nating kinig at dinig at ramdam mong ikaw lang ang kanyang pinakikinggan. Pero actually, lahat tayo ay kanyang pinapakinggan. That gaze of our Blessed Mother is an invitation to come to her, to recognize God's compassion, God's goodness. I pray that our community will continue to have that gaze of our Mother Perpetual Help, loving, welcoming, like also of that of Christ. That we, as members of this parish community, will continue to be an instrument of that gaze. May our parish be a shining star that invites people to see and experience Christ in our community.